Hello and welcome to this setup video for the MAG-200 dust collector. In this video we'll be installing the 200-70 spark arresting box onto a MAG-200 dust collector, making it what we're calling the Knife Maker Edition or the MAG-200-4K. So this spark arresting box has layers of metal plates in it where the sparks have to hit a plate, bounce around, hit another plate, bounce around, hit another plate, bounce around before they go into the impeller. They then still get pushed over another spark arresting filter of expanded mesh metal, and then the heavies go into the yellow tray, and then there's a pre-filter and the final filter, and clean air exits the machine. So when you purchase a MAG-200 dust collector, the way we package them is without an inlet on them, and the 4 screws are already in the top. This one will be using a 4-inch inlet. There are 3 inlets available for the MAG-200 dust collector: a 2.5, a 3, and a 4-inch. 4-inch is going to give you the greatest amount of air movement at 400 CFM. So let's get started with the spark arresting box. You'll notice that there are catch clamps on the side. Undo both catch clamps. This will open up and you can pull off the bottom. And you'll notice the bottom piece has the same 4-bolt pattern as the inlet does. So we'll set that down and grab our 5/16 driver and remove all 4 screws. There really isn't an orientation. You can put this on any way. Just notice that the sides with the catch clamps you may want to put away from the handles. It makes it a little easier for you to get your hands in there when you do want to be able to get in here to clean the unit out. All right, now that we have the base mounted on, we can put the spark arresting box onto the unit. And it sets right on top. The catch clamps go under the tabs, clamp them solid. Then we'll need to take the 4 screws out of the top of the spark arresting box. Now we have our 4-inch inlet, and we'll set that on top. And that completes the installation of the MAG-200 with a spark arresting box. Again, the spark arresting box part number is 200-70, and then this is the MAG-200 dust collector. When they're put together and you're purchasing them that way, we call that a MAG-200-4K. We designed the 200-70 spark arresting box for those high spark load applications, such as those of knife makers or other people hogging off a lot of material with a very heavy spark load. The multi-plate system gives the chance for the sparks to cool by having to bounce off of many different metal surfaces within this spark box. I certainly hope that installation helped, and if you ever have any questions, just give us a call or contact us at Magna-Matic.com. Thank you very much for watching.